Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Just two more things I wanted before my Goa trip, and here it is. Let's unbox. Alright, here we go with this. Okay, so let's open and see what have I ordered. We'll keep this aside. Here are the two things that I have ordered. So one is the Telesin neck mount for my Action Pro, and one is the adapter for my wireless mic. So let's open this box first. As we open this box, here we get the manual, how to use it. We'll keep this aside, and this is how it looks. Wow, I like this. This is very flexible. You can shape it the way you want. I will wear this and show it to you in some time. What else in the box? We have the attachment and the screw. This will be here, and then you can attach your GoPro or your Action Pro 5, whatever you have. And here we have nothing. So that's all in the box, and I'll surely show you how to use this. We'll make a video on this right away, but before I do that, we'll keep this aside and I'll open this adapter and show you. It is from I don't know how to pronounce this, ACOUSTICS. It's a brand. Anyways, so let's open this and see how does it look and why have I ordered this. All right, here it is. Oh, okay, you get two pieces. I never knew that. All right, and we have some paperwork. Again, we don't need this. We Indians are smart. We can figure out things. So I'll just open, there are two pieces. I'll just open one. Okay. So, wait, I'll do one thing. I'll just get my Action Pro. Just give me a minute. All right. Here is my Action Pro. Okay. So this is how it will go over here in your action camera, and this is where your transmitter will go, and receiver is what I have. But again, we'll make video on this right away and I'll show you how it works. Once we attach this camera over here, okay, so I'm not going to go through all this procedure. I guess everyone knows how to fit this over here. So once I'm done with this, I'll get back and we'll continue with the video. Okay, so this is how it looks after installing my action camera on it. The better way is to first install it on this mount and then try to wear it, because after wearing, installing is going to be a little difficult. So yeah, first install your action camera on this mount and then fix it. Now let me show you how to fix it. So this is how you're going to put this. Is supposed to match over here like this. Okay, now you put it over here and you'll hear a click sound. There it go. Now it is perfect. And when you want to remove this, there's a button over here. You have to press this and pull this out. All right. Yes, putting this inside is a little bit of task. Okay, you'll have to see and do it. There, in and out. So very easy to use. So you wear this first and then you put it inside there. Now you can adjust this accordingly. You want it wide, you want it tight, so that's very nice and comfortable. This also you can lose it from here and then adjust if you are for example showcasing something, so you can keep it down and you can, on the table, you can showcase whatever you want to. Or this is how you can vlog otherwise if you are just want to vlog whatever is in front of you. The purpose of buying this is because I wanted to vlog hands-free. So you know, if I'm trekking, if I'm walking, if I'm in the mall, if I'm driving the car, so that's when this is going to be in use, so that I don't have to hold the camera and then holding shopping bags or something, and if I want to use my hands. So hands-free vlogging, that is what it is. Now let me show you the Bluetooth wireless mic connection. Bluetooth wireless mic connection. Right now I'm not vlogging via mic from my phone. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll fix it first, and then as I told you, you have to install everything. That is easier than installing like this. So yeah, press the button, get this thing out. Okay, this is where your mic goes. So you will plug in the adapter like this. Okay, and then you will plug in your, you can see the side profile, front profile. Okay, you'll put your, this is how it's going to look, your what do you call it, transmitter. So this is the side profile, front profile. Okay, once this is done, or I'll do one thing, I'll just pull this out and I'll put it other way around so that I can see the light from here. Okay, and I'll turn on this camera first. There it goes on. Okay, now you see the light on, yeah, here it is, the light on my transmitter. Now I will put this around my neck. Yep, there we go, finally. All right, now I'll turn on my mic. Now my mic is connected to this, and let's begin with some sample test. Okay, so let's see how the sound is and how everything else is. So yeah, we will get out of this and we'll start shooting from this. Okay, so the testing phase is on and I'm hands-free.
Thank you.
As you can see. And the test today we are going to do is in our gym. Let's see, let's start from here. विकास भाई, आपको दिख रहे हो कि नहीं कैमरा में? बोला कैमरे में दिख रहे हो कि नहीं?
पक्का दिख रहा हूँ।
टेस्टिंग चालू है, टेस्टिंग। अरे नया आइटम लिया है ना, उसका टेस्टिंग चालू है।
क्या इससे क्या होगा?
रिकॉर्डिंग है, कैमरा है। कहीं घूमना हो, कहीं हाथ फ्री हो, बैग उठाना हो, मिलना जुलना कुछ करना तो हाथ फ्री, उसके लिए लिया है, ये वाला आइटम लिया है। तो उसके लिए टेस्टिंग चालू है।
टेस्टिंग पूरी पक्की है।
पक्की है ना? टेस्टिंग इज ऑन। ये लिया नया, तो IBW होगा तो हैंड फ्री है ना, जो चाहे बियर पियो, ये करो वो करो, हैंड फ्री रिकॉर्डिंग करने के लिए। नेक माउंट, चेस्ट माउंट है, उसमें पूरा हार्नेस पहनना पड़ता है, इससे पूरा डिफिकल्ट होता है। तो ये नेक माउंट ले लिया, वायरलेस माइक लगा लिया, आराम चलते रहो, हैंड्स फ्री, व्लॉगिंग करते जाओ, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन छोड़ दो, इजी टू व्लॉग। हाँ नहीं, यहाँ पे लगा के घूम रहे हैं ना। सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स, यू कैन सी। ओके जी, अच्छा yeah, so this is how easy it is to vlog with hands free. Okay, so now you guys let me know, how is the footage? Is it stable? Is it shaky? I don't think it's going to be shaky, but I'm sure it's awesome. The view is nice and I'm very happy about my hands are free right now. All right, so yeah, that is that, and I'll just go into my cabin and we'll end this vlog. Okay guys, so that was it, the vlog about this neck mount. So let me know how you guys found it, and this is going to be my last video. The next video is going to be after I return from Goa. Usually when I travel, I do not carry my laptop, I do not edit over there. So when I'm back from Goa, I'll be editing videos, I'll be coming back and editing videos, and then I'll upload it. So this is going to be my last video for, should I say, this month. Yeah, that's all, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Till then, you guys take care, and it's a life, live it right, live it your way. Bye-bye.